Microsoft Teams is more than just a chat app. It's a complete collaboration platform designed to help you work smarter and stay connected. In this video, we'll break down the key features of Microsoft Teams so you can make the most of it. First, there's chat, which allows you to send instant messages to individuals or groups. You can also create group chats, use mentions to get someone's attention, and share files directly in the chat, making communication seamless. Next is Teams and Channels. Teams are groups of people working together, and channels are dedicated spaces for specific topics or projects. Channels can be standard for everyone in the team, or private for selected members. Inside channels, you can post messages, share files, and even integrate apps and tools to boost productivity. This structure keeps conversations organized and helps your team focus on what matters most. Another essential feature is meetings and video calls. You can schedule meetings through Teams or Outlook, start instant video calls, and even join meetings with a single click. Teams also offers screen sharing, together mode, recording, and live captions, making online collaboration more effective and engaging. File collaboration is another standout feature. Teams integrates seamlessly with Microsoft 365, allowing you to co-edit Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files in real time. You can access files shared in chats or channels, use version history, and even pin important files for quick access. Finally, Teams offers apps and integrations. You can add apps like Planner, OneNote, or third-party tools to automate workflows and improve efficiency. Notifications, tags, and custom settings also help you stay organized and ensure you never miss important updates. That's a quick overview of Microsoft Teams features. From chat and meetings to file collaboration and apps, Teams provides everything you need to work efficiently in one place. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update and start exploring Microsoft Teams today.